Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. As you can see, I have made these two roses. These roses are for embroidery. Before embroidery, we have to do the sketching part. So today's tutorial is gonna be very important for you because today I will make a embroidery design for laces. You know the lace which we kind of sew it over any of the fabric like kurta or sari or t-shirts. We put a lace, right? And now if you go and buy a good quality, good design laces in the market, the good one will not cost you less than 800 rupees per meter. The starting price is 800 rupees per meter. That to the wholesale rate I'm telling you, not the retail rate, because myself I have gone it and I have found it in the wholesale market.
Friends, my intention of giving you this online tutorial is not just to enhance your skill set but also to save your money. So for example, I am showing you some of the laces along with the prices. This lace, if you go and buy, it would cost you 14,400. This one for 3,630, and that too you have to buy in bulk. They will never give you for 1 meter. Even if you want 1 meter, they will not give you less than 10 meter because you have to order it in bulk. This simple white lace is costing 4,116. Can you imagine? You can make it by your own hands, friends. I will give you the tutorial for it. It is very easy, trust me. This lace 2,600. This one for 2,500. Even though it is beautiful, but you can still make it by your own hand. And this is for 17,100. My god, you can buy a whole sari, and here you get a lace only. This is for 3,600. This also you can make it by your own hand. Not only this one for 8,000. Can you imagine? You can make these laces by your own hand by subscribing to Papia Art Studio. I will give you a detailed step-by-step tutorial. All you need to do is subscribe to Papia Art Studio with bell on and watch the entire video.
The prices are really high if you want a good lace, good quality lace where the thread shouldn't come out no matter how much you wash your fabric. The threads in the laces shouldn't come out. The moment you keep it in a washing machine, all the laces, the threads will come out if it is not of a high quality. But the same laces, design, embroidery, if you can make it by your own hand, picking and choosing the right threads, right design, you make it. And that to the design, most importantly, the benefit you get is the design of your own choice, the color of the threads of your own choice, nothing like it. So you create your own masterpiece and you save money. Instead of buying for 1,000 and compromising on the color and quality of the thread, it's better. Why not pick and choose the cloth, then buy some color thread of your choice and design of your choice and start making embroidery in a lace. You will save money.
And friends, not only you save money, but if you make this hand embroidered laces by your own, then you have a better choices of the color and quality of the threads, plus better choices of the design of your own choice. And above all, if you buy this embroidered laces online or offline, number one, you have to buy in bulk. They will never give you less than 10 meters. So for example, if you want 1 meter lace for your kurti, bedsheet, tablecloth or a sari, still you have to buy 10 meters. Right? So for kurti, generally we require 1 meter only, and here you have to end up buying 10 meters lace, which would, if remain idle, it will get spoiled, damaged, and entire money gets wasted. Instead, you make this hand embroidered beauties by your own hands, for which I am giving you a step-by-step tutorial in my channel Papia Art Studio. I would request you just to subscribe to Papia Art Studio with bell so that you get notified, and then watch the entire video so that you can understand how to do the embroidery. So now, before starting making the embroidery on the laces, you have to sketch a design which you sketch over a paper, and then you kind of transfer it or print it or trace it in a fabric. So in my next video, I will tell you a detailed tutorial on how to make this laces. Even though if you don't know how to sketch it, if you are a beginner, you don't know, have any experience on sketching or drawing, still I will give you the most easiest process which will make your sketching easier. So till then, stay tuned.